Welcome to the live bench evaluation of ISL 81801, 80-volt bidirectional 4-switch synchronous buck-boost converter. The ISL 81801 evaluation board offers programmable switching frequencies from 100 kHz to 600 kHz, which helps in optimizing the inductor size to minimum. Its strong gate driver enables a high-power buck-boost output. This design is ideal for high-current applications, supporting up to 120 watt. Click on Plugin to get connected to the real hardware and begin evaluation. The live bench is set up to demonstrate the board's performance across various scenarios. The board is powered by a programmable power supply, up to 120 volt, with output connected to an electronic load, up to 10 amp. Each test point is connected to 2 digital storage oscilloscopes for live monitoring. Additionally, protection circuits are included to safeguard the setup. You can monitor real-time performance metrics during tests, including voltage, current input, and output performance waveform. The live video feed shows the ISL 1 eval board in action, along with the power supply and load display, making it easy to verify input and output power in real time. A heat map of the PCB is also provided for visualization. The evaluation includes 4 main performance test categories: efficiency and regulation tests, overcurrent protection, and bidirectional or last gasp power source. Select a feature of your interest to begin evaluation. Each feature offers detailed test cases to fully evaluate the board's capabilities. The efficiency performance tests include topology operation, diode emulation mode, startup response, and efficiency. The topology operation test, for instance, evaluates the performance of the board in different power conversion modes. You can set the input voltage and load current, and then switch between buck, boost, and buck-boost modes to observe the output voltage, phase voltages, and load current waveforms in the Performance Characteristics tabs. Explore the other efficiency tests by varying the input values and observing the board behavior using the output tiles and live video. The regulation performance test covers aspects like transient operation, line and load regulation, and constant current, constant voltage operations. Explore these tests to fully evaluate the board capabilities. The tests for overcurrent protection and bidirectional or last gasp power sources are conducted to verify the system's protection mechanisms and emergency power capabilities. The AI-powered chat assistant launched from the right bottom corner here is available to answer any questions about the board, specifications, and capabilities. The progress log provides real-time information and logs all activities on the live bench. The Assist Me feature offers additional guidance on the evaluation flow. You can access the user manual and other relevant documentation via the hamburger icon in the menu. Explore other interesting live bench designs by following the link provided. Thank you and happy evaluation!